In today's really short English lesson, we are going to talk about the English phrase, I rest my case. Not long ago, I released a video where I taught English in a touristy beach town. And in that video, there was a sign that said, we rest our case. And Natalia was wondering, what does that mean? Well, the whole sign starts with a question. Money can't buy happiness? Basically, they are saying, well, that might not be correct because they sell tequila and cheeseburgers. So basically, they are saying money can buy you happiness. But what does rest our case mean, or I rest my case? That means you predict something is going to happen and then it happens, so you tell that person, see, I was right. How else could you use this? Let's pretend one of your friends is doing something dangerous and you tell them, hey, I think you're going to get hurt. Then they get hurt. You can say, I rest my case. See, I knew it was going to happen. You were going to get hurt. I was right. I rest my case. You can say, I rest my case when you have said everything you want to say. You can't say anymore. And this English saying actually comes from the courtroom. Lawyers will plead their case. They will try to influence the judge. They will try to make the judge think a certain way. And when they have said everything they can say, they might say, hey, I rest my case. I hope this helps. If you're looking for more English about trials and cases and judges and juries, right up there is an English lesson I did. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.